Creating the program using the logical AND operators. Let's first understand how the logical AND operator works. It returns true if all the provided or the given conditions are true. Otherwise, at any possible condition, it will return false. So let's enter inside the main function and taking the example like for getting a driving license, age should be greater than equal to 18, or we consider there is a 100-mark test. So minimum you have to score 60% or 60 marks. Let's start it. I will take int age equals to, let's say, 25. After that, int marks equals to 75. Okay. After that, using the printf function, inside that, using the %d, that will represent our result. So what is our condition? Age should be greater than equal to 18 using the AND operator, and mark should be greater than equal to 60. Okay. What we see here, our age is 25 taken, so it is greater than equal to 18. First condition is true, and marks are 75. 75 is greater than equal to 60, so both conditions are true. So we will get our answer as true, that is 1. Let's save it and execute it. All right, we get our answer 1.